The EG4 PowerLift Pro is built to make your installation smoother, faster, and safer, especially for smaller teams managing multiple battery installs in a single job. Hey, welcome back. I'm Kelly from Signature Solar, and installing EG4 wall mount batteries can be a serious workout, and not always in a good way. These units are solid and dependable, but moving and mounting them can slow down your team, especially on jobs with multiple batteries to install. That's where the EG4 PowerLift Pro comes in, a drill-powered lift that helps small teams handle heavy batteries with confidence. It's all about making your install process faster, safer, and more efficient. Let's walk through what this tool does, how it works, and why it's quickly becoming a favorite for professional installers. The PowerLift Pro was built specifically for EG4 280 amp-hour wall-mount batteries, both indoor and all-weather models. With a rated lifting capacity of 441 pounds, it helps reduce the physical strain of mounting heavy equipment while giving your team better control during install. If you're part of a small install crew, a service team, or working on jobs that involve paralleling 2 or more batteries, this tool was made for you. It keeps your workflow moving without compromising safety or professionalism. Here's what makes the PowerLift Pro so effective on site. First, it has a drill-powered operation for effortless raising and lowering, although it's important to note that this must be 18 volts or greater. It also features a hydraulic brake system for steady, secure control, as well as all-terrain rubber wheels that roll smoothly over thresholds and transitions, an adjustable cam strap, and stabilizing bumpers to keep batteries firmly in place, and a maximum lifting height of 31.9 inches. It's built from durable SPCC steel, and every detail is designed to support your team, from maneuvering the unit to mounting the final battery on the wall. Here's how it works. To prepare your drill, use the included 10mm socket and set the drill to low gear with the clutch just below max. Next, use the included Velcro strap to keep your drill secure and in place. Now we're ready to load the battery. Slide the forks under the battery feet and secure it with the cam buckle strap. Once the battery is secured, lock the brake. Drill forward to lift it just above ground level, then unlock the brake and roll to the wall mount location. To mount it, we will need to lock the brake again, then raise the battery until the cleats are aligned. Unlock the brake briefly to slide the battery into mounting position, then lock it again. Finally, reverse the drill to lower the battery into place. Once the battery is securely in position on the wall bracket, install the bracket screws to secure the battery to the bracket. Now we are ready to remove the lift. Release cam buckle strap, operate drill in reverse to lower the lift, then move the PowerLift Pro out from underneath the battery. One thing to keep in mind is that you should never transport the battery while it's fully lifted. Raise it only as much as you need to move it safely and maintain control. Always be sure the brakes are engaged anytime you're lifting or adjusting the height. The PowerLift Pro works best with the indoor wall mount battery and the latest version of the all-weather outdoor wall mount battery. Both of these batteries have taller feet, which allow the forks of the PowerLift Pro to slide easily underneath. That means smoother onloading, offloading, and mounting, even flush to the floor. The indoor battery additionally has adjustable feet, giving you a little more flexibility during install. If you're working with an older version of the outdoor wall mount battery, the feet are slightly shorter. That makes it harder for the lift forks to slide underneath without extra effort. In this case, you'll need to carefully walk the battery onto the forks to get it into position. Also, achieving a flush floor mount will be more difficult using the PowerLift Pro. If your wall is structurally sound, we recommend mounting your battery about 1 to 2 inches higher than the manual's floor flush height. That means placing the top screw hole of your mounting plate at a minimum of 26 1/8 inches off the ground. This gives the lift enough clearance to work safely and efficiently. If you're mounting an outdoor battery on sand, dirt, or any uneven surface, laying down a piece of plywood will give the lift a solid level base to operate on. This simple step can make a big difference, helping protect your equipment, improve safety, and keep your installation moving smoothly from start to finish. For small teams, the PowerLift Pro is all about maximizing your effort and minimizing fatigue. It helps reduce the physical wear and tear of install days while speeding up how fast you can mount each battery. It's a smart tool for professionals who want consistent, clean, and efficient installs, whether you're doing one battery or a full parallel bank. With minimal maintenance like greasing the lifting screw and hydraulic brakes, as well as checking for tire wear, this tool is built for the long haul. The EG4 PowerLift Pro is built to make your installation smoother, faster, and safer, especially for smaller teams managing multiple battery installs in a single job. If you'd like to learn more about the PowerLift Pro, or you're ready to add this time-saving tool to your install kit, visit us at signaturesolar.com. And as always, don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow us on Facebook at Signature Solar US for more tools and tech to power your projects. I'm Kelly with Signature Solar, empowering you to own your own power. We'll see you next time.